How to separate your business Facebook from personal account. Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'll be showing you the ways to separate your business page or your business Facebook account from personal. So your personal Facebook account and Facebook business page aren't connected on Facebook, and you won't be publicly listed to each other as well. So you need a personal account to create and manage Facebook business page, but you could always create a separate personal profile with your work email if desired. Now, in order to separate your business Facebook from your personal account, you can create a business manager account. Here's how you can do it. So for that, you need to go to your business.facebook.com. So you can do this from the web browser. Now, while you're on this page, you go ahead and tap the link that is business.facebook.com, and this is going to take you to the other interface where you can just go ahead and log in with your Facebook account, or you can open Meta Business Suite app. Just go ahead and tap on it. And once you do that, you can go ahead and add your name, your business email address, promote to fill your business detail as well. After that, you can also add your business page if you want. You can also invite people to access your business assets. After that, you can also remove from personal, and you can also remove page from your personal account. That is optional. So in this way, you can separate your business account from your personal on Facebook. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.